Hi, this is Sorav from Digital Scholar, and today I'm going to talk about how we have implemented the agency style learning environment in our institute. What exactly is agency style learning environment? I'm going to talk about it right now in this video. So do not forget to watch this video till the end. The first most important thing that we're trying to bring on table is group assignments. Why group assignments? Because you work in groups in agency. You can't work like an individual inside an organization, especially in agencies, because you get to meet a lot of people. You're going to do a lot of work. You're going to do a lot of collaboration. You're going to take a lot of creative juices from people and then come up to conclusion. Here too, you're going to work in format of group assignments and you're going to do a lot of group work together, and you will come up to conclusion on the basis of all the ideas that you get to see. So that's factor number one. Factor number two is client pitching. We teach you what it takes to pitch an awesome client and get it on board. And what is the process? How do you create the fear of missing out? How do you analyze competitors? What needs to go inside that particular presentation that will kill the deal right at the moment? The third factor that we try to teach you in the process is do's and don'ts at an agency. After running agency for 8 years, I have learned one thing. What kind of thing makes an individual grow? What kind of thing doesn't make an individual grow inside the organization? So I'm going to share all those secrets in this process of your learning. So when you join and you learn in an agency environment, we'll also tell you what you gotta do, what you should not be doing. You're gonna experience this in the process. Fact number 4, we're gonna bring you live projects. And when I say live projects, you're going to really work with clients, you're going to have some budgets in your pocket, you're going to implement that. So no superficial knowledge, what is SEO, what is SEM, what is SMM, all that is absolutely fine. But if you're not implementing, you're not going to learn. I always say this, a good digital marketer is a good practitioner. So right from day one, you practice at Digital Scholar. So this makes Digital Scholar absolutely unique because you got to learn by practice. And the fact number 5 is case study discussions. Inside my organization, every single day, we discuss multiple case studies of local, national, international brand. Anything that goes viral becomes the talk of the town inside the organization. Similarly, when you are at Digital Scholar, and if you are a Digital Scholar yourself, you will be given a case to crack every single time you come inside for your classroom training. And when you come back on next day, we sit down together and crack that particular case to come up to a conclusion, which means so many people pouring in ideas and strategically approaching how to solve that particular customer's problem in the digital landscape. And this will make you strategically strong in the entire process. The factor number 7 is the mock interviews. What exactly happened inside the closed door of a recruiter and an interviewee? In this process, we're gonna give you a lot of question and answers which generally an interviewer asks, and we're gonna do mock-up interviews with you so that you become more confident when you go and face an agency. By the learning experience of these pointers, you can for sure become a freelancer or start your digital marketing agency. If not, get inside digital marketing agency, or if not, you become an awesome digital marketer any which ways. I always say this, guys. To become an awesome digital marketer, you need to be a digital scholar first. So do not forget to log on to www.digitalscholar.in and enroll yourself right now. See you guys around.